Have you ever wondered how to join a server? Have you ever wondered how to create a server? Well, my friends, this is the video for you. Hello guys, I'm the Bingzer and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a server and join a server. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, you're going to want to come over here and click on add a server. If you hover over it, the plus sign here, click on it, then you're going to create a server or join a server. That's if you want to create or join one. So first of all, we're going to press create a server. Then that's you can change the name of it. So like, let's say oh, that would actually be a good name, even though I already have a server called the Bingzer server. So yeah, DABINGCTR. So that's the Bingzer. So we're gonna call it the Bingzer Lounge. I'm gonna press create, and here is the Bingzer Lounge. So when you do that, it's going to come up with a list of people that you are friends with, and it's going to give you the option to invite them or not to invite them. So now we are going to delete this server. Actually, I do that after. So now we're gonna press it back again and press join a server. Now here is where you're going to copy or paste. Actually, here's where you're going to paste the invite link, and then you're gonna press join, and then you will be able to access the server. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.